Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, April 19th. Jen Amos is off today. Stocks on Wall Street opened higher, rebounding from their biggest decline in a month after Standard & Poor's cut its outlook on the U.S. credit rating. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner disagreed with S&P on its debt outlook this morning, saying that the country can meet its fiscal challenges and the prospects for a budget deal have improved. Meanwhile, investors seem to have shifted their focus to strong data on the housing market, a new development in the takeover battle for NYSE Euronext, and some positive earnings news. First to the economic data. Construction of new U.S. homes rose 7.2% in March to an annual rate of 549,000, well above forecasts. February housing starts were also revised upward, and building permits, viewed as a gauge of future demand, jumped 11.2% last month. Following the data, prices on U.S. Treasuries slipped, and the dollar remained lower against other major currencies. In M&A news, Nasdaq OMX Group and Intercontinental Exchange submitted a new merger proposal to NYSE Euronext. The new offer is worth $42.67 a share, slightly higher than their previous bid, and more than 20% above Deutsche Börse's buyout offer, which NYSE Euronext agreed to in February. Nasdaq and ICE say they're also prepared to pay the NYSE a reverse breakup fee of $350 million if the deal falls through for regulatory issues. Shares of NYSE Euronext are gaining more than 2% on the news, and Nasdaq and ICE are also rising. But Deutsche Börse is dropping more than 3% in U.S. trading. On to the day's big earnings news. Goldman Sachs is gaining more than 1% after reporting first quarter profit and revenue that topped analyst estimates. Johnson & Johnson is also rising in early trading, up 3% right now. J&J posted a decline in net income, but sales rose 3.5%, and both numbers beat expectations. The company also boosted its full-year earnings estimate above Wall Street forecasts. But moving to the downside today is Texas Instruments. After Monday's closing bell, the chipmaker reported a slight increase in profit and revenue, but missed estimates as generally strong demand was offset by the impact of the earthquake in Japan. After today's closing bell, we'll hear from two more giants in the technology industry, Intel and IBM. And finally, keep an eye on shares of Apple today. It's suing Samsung Electronics for copyright infringement, saying the South Korean company copied the look and feel of the iPhone and iPad in Samsung's Galaxy cell phone and tablet computer. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.